Shahid Siddiqui, Kamal Farooqi, Prem Shukla. Prem Shukla is executive editor of Dopair Ka Samna, Shiv Sena's paper. Sudhanshu Trivedi, Abid Rasul Khan. I'm going to be joined by Syed Tariq Bukhari, who is secretary of the Muslim Majlis-e-Amal and brother of the Shahi Imam. There he is. Syed Tariq Bukhari, welcome. Thank you everyone, welcome. Shahid Siddiqui, what's the problem? Is there a problem if Rajnath Singh meets the Muslim clerics? Absolutely none. But the problem is that when Rajnath meets...
Arnab,
okay, what's the problem?
Arnab, there's a huge problem. The problem is that whether it's Rajnath or it's Sonia Gandhi or it's Arvind Kejriwal, they all think that Muslims vote according to the diktats of these religious leaders. They don't. It's an insult to the Muslims. It's an insult to an Indian citizen who votes according to his own conscience. And to treat them as a herd which can be herded this way or that way by these people, that is the mistake.
You see, the problem is that there you go, Shahid Siddiqui.
And now BJP is making the same
you don't
mistake.
want to
So
criticize the BJP. You don't want to criticize the BJP, so you begin by criticizing both Congress and BJP together. You should be asking questions of the BJP.
No,
you should be asking Sudhanshu. No, so what's your question? 1 second. The viewers have to understand. What's your question to Shahid Siddiqui? Shahid Siddiqui, 1 minute. I don't know the context. By the way, Syed Tariq Bukhari, younger brother of the Shahi Imam, is secretary of the Muslim Majlis-e-Amal. He's making a counter charge at Shahid Siddiqui. Mr. Bukhari, I don't know the context. Please just explain. What exactly is your specific counter question to Shahid Siddiqui?
Mr. Shahid Siddiqui, he's saying that there is no say remains in the public as far as the religious leaders, especially the Muslim religious clerics, are concerned. But I am questioning Mr. Shahid Siddiqui, counter-questioning Mr. Shahid Siddiqui, that what he was doing when Imam Bukhari called him also and other Muslim other Muslim clerics as well as imams on 22nd of February this year to discuss the political scenario of the country.
One minute. The Shahi Imam's brother, I'm summarizing for the viewers.
Where Mr. Shahid Siddiqui himself said that I will be the first person to be part of the Muslim political party.
1 second.
But we clearly...
What is a Muslim political party? 1 minute, just a minute. What is a Muslim political party? Shahid Siddiqui, 1 minute. Shahid Siddiqui. Shahid Siddiqui.
I was asked by... Yes, let me tell you.
No. This is a
complete...
No, 1 second.
Will he guarantee that will he guarantee Muslims will
follow him? Absolutely wrong.
No, 1 second. Shahid Siddiqui, please let me just say one thing here.
No, definitely not.
I 1 minute.
I opposed it and I walked out of the meeting. I walked out of the meeting. There's a there's a videograph, and I walked off the meeting. I was shouted down because I said you should not have a separate party. I oppose the idea of a separate party. I have been opposing all my life. I have always opposed the idea when you people form the Adam All my life I've only gone once. आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए, एक ही बार गया हूँ जिंदगी में, और वो उन्होंने फोन करके मुझसे कहा था कि आपसे मशवरा करना चाहता हूँ. I went there and I opposed him.
उसमें क्या गलत है? आपने
Absolutely, I dislike any Muslim party.
You gave your opinion.
हाँ, तो मैंने मीटिंग में मशवरा दिया कि मत बनाओ. मैंने कहा मत बनाओ.
बनाने की कोशिश. One second, this is very interesting. One, शाहिद सिद्दीकी, एक मिनट प्लीज. ये मुस्लिम पार्टी क्या होती है? Who is talking of a Muslim party?
Mr. Shahid.
कमाल फारूकी, ये मुस्लिम पार्टी की बात कहां से आ गई इसके बीच?
This is let me tell you, Arnab, of course, I know Shahid Siddiqui right from his childhood, and I can very well say that Shahid Siddiqui is one of those persons who is totally against of the Muslim political party. So I cannot buy any this argument that he was one of the he could be a member of any such group wherein the Muslim political party idea was floated. Number one. Number two, the now.
Was there a meeting in which the Shahi Imam or others, was there a meeting to discuss the possible launch of a Muslim political party in India? And for God's sake, Syed Tariq Bukhari, Syed Tariq Bukhari, ये सवाल तो मैं भी करूंगा आपसे.
There was a meeting to discuss whether there should be what Muslims should do. There was a meeting to discuss what Muslims should do. Yes, to look at the political scenario, what Muslims should do. I said Muslims should go along.
There should be a Muslim
Yes, I opposed.
party.
Some people said there should be a Muslim party. I was shouted down. I was not allowed to speak there. Everybody knows that.
Imam Bukhari clearly.
No, you are lying. You are absolutely lying.
The whole discussion has gone haywire. This is not the
You are lying.
Arnab, this is not the kind of discussion which are on, which are here.
Whatever. But if we saying, if we said that, clerics का कुछ असर नहीं होता, nobody, believes them. आप अगर आपके पास कोई शरई मसला लेके आएगा तो आप किसके पास जाएंगे? किसी क्लेरिक के पास ही तो जाएंगे.
ये कोई तारिक भाई, ये कोई शरई मसला नहीं है.
शरई मसला नहीं है, सियासी मसला है.
For heaven's sake.
No, if you are doing politics, you say we are doing politics. No, Kamal Farooqui, इसमें, by the way, Abid Rasul Khan, Sudhanshu Trivedi and Prem Shukla, I have moved away from the subject of the discussion, I admit. Because in my view, this revelation that there's a meeting in Jama Masjid to discuss the launch of a Muslim political party is very important. I want to ask Abid Rasul if after this he thinks...
There was no meeting to launch a Muslim party.
No, where was the meeting?
What is to be done?
You are misinterpreting.
What am I misinterpreting?
I am clearly saying it was to discuss the current political scenario, current political
No, इसमें तो
issues.
It's politics then. No, it's politics. But it's politics. It's politics of religion.
There should be a Muslim political party. And he will be the first.
No, was there a meeting? Was there a meeting to discuss? Was there a meeting to discuss the possible formation of a Muslim political party or not? Was that issue discussed or not?
Mr. Arnab, not at all. It was the meeting to discuss.
No, but there was a meeting, the issue was discussed. आपने खुद कहा, there was a meeting, the issue was
Mr.
discussed.
Shai Siddiqui, in that meeting, Mr. Shai Siddiqui proposed that we should form. The situation is such that we should form a Muslim political party.
I can't believe it.
On which Mr.
Kamal Farooqi says he cannot believe it.
Tariq bhai, I can't
I
believe it.
oppose it. I oppose the very idea.
Tariq bhai,
All my life I have opposed the idea of a Muslim party. He's lying.
Anyway, you see the question here is Sudhanshu Trivedi and Abid Rasul Khan.
I have a footage.
Sudhanshu,
And Mr.
Can I
Shai
come in, Arnab?
Siddiqui is saying,
I don't know why he's lying.
Mr. Shai
Yes.
Siddiqui is
Can I-
saying that
can I
I was
come in,
not
Arnab?
available in that
I
meeting.
want to.
I was not available in that meeting.
No, one second.
Listen, I was not available in that meeting. I have a video footage also, and I have
Arnab,
a
what we are
photographs
discussing?
also. I can show it to you.
Arnab, what we are discussing? Arnab, what we are discussing?
Sir, the issue of discussion is Rajnath Singh's
Actually-
meeting with Muslim clerics.
actually, Mr.
1 minute.
Arnab,
So
Mr.
my
Arnab,
question to
it's
now
not-
where now
just
this
listen to me. Just a minute. Give me a 30 seconds. Mr. Arnab, give me 30 seconds. I want to clarify one thing. That the meeting on 22nd of February 2014 was held to discuss the political issues, not to form a Muslim political party. I would like to clear this point. That's all. You can.
Okay, you made your point. Now my question to Sudhanshu Trivedi, Abid Rasul is, Sudhanshu Trivedi, you know, when Sonia Gandhi met Shahi Imam and she made that appeal, look at what Rajnath Singh said. This is communal. The color of communalism will never taint India. We believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Congress efforts at communalism will not succeed. You were up in arms. Rajnath Singh was up in arms. Now he's doing the same thing in Lucknow. Exactly the same thing.
Actually, there is a basic difference in both the things. It is basically a different thing. Rajnath ji is contesting in Lucknow as a candidate. So he has gone to various religious heads. He has also gone to Gurdwara, both the ancient Gurdwara in the old city and also to the head of the main Gurdwara in the main city. In the same manner, he has gone to the religious heads of both the sects of Muslims. This is a purely localized affair. Number two, this is neither
but
preceded by an
I don't
appeal
understand this.
nor proceeded by an appeal.
No, I don't understand.
And second thing,
I don't
it is
understand
neither
this.
on,
This makes-
on such
Can
a
I-
pretext
can I-
that do not want to disturb any secular votes.
Sir, please
like
tell me.
Imam Bukhari has said
Sir,
prior to
please tell
meeting
me.
of
Sir,
Sonia
please
Gandhi,
tell me. Sir,
if
please
Imam
tell
Bukhari
me.
would have been from
Sir,
Raebareli,
please
he
tell
would
me.
have been having no disturbance.
Sir, please tell me.
You
Abid
are
Rasul.
asking for support for a political party on a negative context with no localized affair in Raebareli. That is an entirely different thing. And if you look at the entire, you can say, the track record of the leader, Rajnath ji, when he was Chief Minister of UP,
Arnab,
I would like to remind that in
Abid Rasul doesn't.
1978,
No.
the Shia Sunni rights used to
Yeah.
go on very frequently in Lucknow, and then the
Let me-
Shia
let me
Julus has
come
been
in.
prohibited after 23 years in BJP regime when Rajnath ji
No,
was
there are-
Chief
there are
Minister.
only two
Both the
possi-
communities have
There-
gone
Okay,
through with
fine.
their report. So on their Julus. So let me complete one more thing. And what Mr. Shahid Siddiqui was saying, he was saying that Rajnath ji has gone for the sake of votes. I would like to remind you some facts. When Rajnath ji was Rajya Sabha MP, there was no idea even in the far-flung contemplation that he can fight from Lucknow. Still he has donated some for the Muslim shrines. Even there is a shrine which is called Dilkusha Bazaar in Lucknow. You can go.
No, are
and
you
can see the edit of
flaunting?
Rajnath
No,
ji has
please,
donated from
please,
Inspired
please.
Islam.
Are you flaunting
No,
Rajnath Singh's
I-
relative
I-
secularism
I-
compared to
I-
Narendra Modi? Are you trying to say Rajnath Singh is more
No,
secular than
I'm not
Narendra
like this.
Modi? But my question
No.
is not that.
In Lucknow,
That is not the question.
in Lucknow,
That is
even
not the
Atal Bihari
question.
Vajpayee met
Sudhanshu Trivedi,
The
that
father
is
of
not
Congress
the
of
question.
Mr. Kalbe Abid.
That is
when
not
he was
the que-
contesting election.
That
Even
is-
BJP candidate Lalji Tandon met.
That
Even
is-
the mayor
that
of
is
Lucknow,
not the
Dinesh
question.
Sharma
The
met.
question
This
is-
usual thing in Lucknow, which
The-
has been unnecessarily made
Sir,
out of
please, the question is,
Nothing but the follow-
the question is that
And
when
the track
Sonia
record of
Gandhi
Lucknow
meets Shahi
BJP.
Imam, it is communal. When all the Muslim clerics are visited up by Rajnath Singh, it is a sign of respect. When Sonia Gandhi meets Shahi Imam, she can say it's a sign of respect.
No.
Counter from Abid Rasul,
When
Abid Rasul,
Sonia
Abid
Gandhi
Rasul to
meets
the
Sai
BJP,
Imam,
Abid
then
Rasul.
Sai Imam made
Arnab,
Abid
an
Rasul.
appeal.
Let me- if I
He
get
don't allow
time,
secular
if I-
votes
yeah.
to be
Come in, Abid
invited.
Rasul.
It means it
Yeah, please,
proceeds
let
with a
me
negative
speak. Let me
approach
speak.
and a negative
Yes.
appeal.
Mr. Tripathi, let me speak. Now let me speak. This is a double speak. And Mr. Arnab, in your channel, you had grilled me continuously when Shahi Imam came out and gave a statement. Today, their president going and meeting the clerics is having two particular issues. One issue is that they have gone soft and they are trying to prop up a candidate who will be acceptable to the other parties, because now they have come to understand they are not going to get any majority. So they are trying to get a man who is shown as a pseudo-secular. And secondly, the very important fact is that their Subramaniam Swamy has told time and again on the channels that it is the BJP's policy to divide the minorities in different sects and communities, and that is taking effect today. When Mr. Rajnath Singh, as a president of BJP, meets different sects and tries to divide the community, and then if at all they are so particular about the minority votes, why can't they apologize for the Gujarat genocide? Why can't they make amends giving justice to the victims of Gujarat?
One second. That's a ridiculous comment. How does it divide the community?
Why can't they give justice to the hundreds of women who have been raped
Abid Rasool, I don't understand.
Now the point
Abid Rasool, just a minute. 1 minute. Please use the right words.
I will explain to you.
Please use the right words. 1 minute.
Yes.
Please use the right words. Please use the right words. You are saying divide the community.
Yeah.
You know what you mean?
Yes.
You mean when Rajnath Singh goes to the cleric, you divide the votes. Please don't substitute the word community with votes with community.
No, I am
Prem Shukla.
I am completing
Prem Shukla.
I have no. Let me complete. This is a very important question you have raised. I need to complete it. Mr.
Let me tell him, Muslims don't vote as a community.
Those who are the architects of divisive politics in Indian political history
and
are now trying to give ceremonies.
Muslims don't vote as a Shia or Sunni community.
It is very important to understand.
Muslims vote as individuals and groups.
That the first part of your debate was having two people who are totally for BJP, and you have debated an issue which hurts the sentiments of the Muslims, and you are trying to show the Muslims as a different part of the country. We are committed to this constitution.
We are
committed to the
Why are you
What's a Prem
taking
Shukla?
contract for the sentiments of the Muslims?
When you have debated Shahid Siddiqui and when you have debated our Muslim party, we have seen Mr. Shahid Siddiqui
there is a clear
BJP
difference between
time and again.
Shahi Imam's meeting with Sonia Gandhi and Rajnath Singh going to canvass for his elections.
It is a clear case.
Abid Rasool, 1 minute.
So as per
The
precedent,
Shiv Sena is coming in.
Bihari Vajpayee used to be,
Let the Shiv Sena speak.
when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was candidate from Lucknow, he used to, from 96, 98, 99, every time he used to campaign for his elections and he used to meet these clerics, but they never asked them to issue any fatwa
whether Mr. Atal Bihari
for
Vajpayee
BJP.
used to meet this clicks or
And
not.
what is
Today
the,
the context is the president of BJP,
what was the meeting between Imam
on his
and
own
Sonia
accord
Gandhi?
to weaken
Just
their
on
own
this
prime
your
minister
own-
and candidate and
now
get
in the discussion of the
get the permit,
first part,
get the tag of being a secular is trying to do all this.
Listen,
It is not
sir,
it is not just meeting. It is a very definite agenda.
Please listen
Agenda
me.
to see that he is a secular
Please
and
listen.
tomorrow
Abid
he will
Rasool,
get
ek
the
minute.
proper allies for it. That is
Abid
the
Rasool,
agenda.
listen
listen to the Shiv Sena.
Not getting
I'm
at all
asking-
anything.
One sec, Abid Rasool, listen
I'm
to the Shiv
requesting
Sena
you,
while
boss.
Yeah, Prem Shukla.
I'm not coming on you.
Mr. Abid
Please
Rasool
listen.
seems to be more concerned about Sri Narendra Modi than about Sonia Gandhi.
On your own channel now,
What is appearing
it
from
is
his
proved
video?
that there was an idea.
Whole country is concerned about the communalism.
There was an
Whole
idea
country is
floated
concerned
by
about the
Shahi.
Acha, okay, Abid Rasool, okay.
Whole country is
to
concerned.
Okay, let
float a
Prem
communal
Shukla
party
speak.
on the name of Muslim party. And this country has seen
Abid Rasool, let him speak. Please don't speak over him.
Muslim League was floated
Make an
in
appeal for you.
1906.
Is it secularism? Is it going to help secularism?
Within 41 years, India was divided. And there are a lot of divisive statements from Shahi Imam on various occasions. In 93, in 92, when Babri structure was demolished in
You
Ayodhya.
answer me. Are you committed
The
to the
father of this
ideology of RSS where
Imam
they say that
and the
Muslims are
Sayyid
second-class
Imam
citizens?
was made to the High Commission of
have you opposed
Pakistan
that?
in New Delhi. And after that vote, they have appealed to the Muslim
ideology of
community.
RSS, you
They
say that
asked
Muslims and
to
Dalits are not part of
boycott
this
the
country.
Republic function of
And
India.
you have
They
yesterday your
challenged the
prime
sovereignty of
ministerial
this
candidate
country.
called the
And
Dalits
meeting
retarded
such a
children.
person,
Are you opposing that?
And you are giving him authority
As an ally. As an ally, you tell me, are you opposed to the statement where he has called Dalits as retarded children of this country?
A person of communal credentials.
Are you opposed to
he
the
is given
statement that
contract
Valmikis are
to
doing
appeal
this job
for
only
secular
on their
votes?
own accord to do just
This
service
is
to the
what
upper
your
community?
communalism
Are you
is.
opposed to that?
And on other side,
you commit on this
if a
channel. Are
president
you
of a
opposed
party
for these
is
statements
just
of your
going for
prime ministerial
campaign,
candidate?
you are asking them they are untouchables. You are making a sect untouchable. What you are trying on this channel?
Absolutely not.
I think,
community.
1 minute, gentlemen.
Asking a Shia and
Gentlemen, the
Sunni,
debate is
and you are
poised.
asking that
The
they are-
debate is poised at a very key point.
Untouchables.
This is not a debate.
Mr. Bukhari, 1 minute.
Going on.
Mr. Abid Rasool, 1 minute. And Prem Shukla, 1 minute. 1 minute. Just a minute.
Is
You-
there anybody to listen? Everybody here to answer. Nobody is here to understand.
Mr. Bukhari, just a minute. I think there are some very important issues which have emerged. I'm going to summarize them and go into a break and come back. And this is for the viewer. You see an unexpected development on...
I'm not getting anything any clear.
Mr. Bukhari, please just a minute. An unexpected revelation on top of the Newsar debate, where it comes out that in that meeting, before Shahi Imam met Sonia Gandhi, there was a meeting in which the idea of a Muslim political party was floated and discussed. Right? Now, everybody says, no, Mr. Bukhari, let me speak.
It was only came up.
Mr. Bukhari, let
that
me
was
speak.
reported by all the newspapers. It's a news for you. But it was reported by all the newspapers. It
So-
was there in all the English newspapers.
So
It's a news for you.
No, 1 minute.
And there was no, it was
Mr.
not a
Shahid
meeting for-
Siddiqui, why are
for
you running it
Muslim
down?
Party.
So
It
he
was
is
not-
a known communal man.
Yes.
So Shahi Imam is a
I'm not running it
known
down
communal
because it was a
man.
revelation for you, but not for the media.
Mr. Shahid Siddiqui, 1 minute.
Stage plan attempt. A stage
Shahid
How he can
Shahid
be
Siddiqui
asked
साहब को
to
चुप कीजिए, वो
issue
बेचारे
dictates
परेशान
as a
हो रहे
for the secular
हैं. Why
votes.
he is getting so angry?
Who?
Why is so hyper?
नहीं.
Mr. Arnav asked me
No,
to
I'm not
keep
getting
quiet and
angry.
listen.
I'm
Why
putting
so
the
very
record
hyper?
straight. I'm putting the record straight.
Who put up the idea of a Muslim political party is my question. And if in that meeting there was a discussion on the Muslim political party, after that Sonia Gandhi has a meeting with the Shahi Imam, is there any link between the two? And can the Congress and the BJP think now that in some ways is this race for trying to get the Muslim vote,
Mayawati, he met Mamta.
does that do any good? Like the race for the Hindu vote, we are coming back in just a few minutes on this Newsar debate. And what Rajnath Singh did after that, does it fall in the same context? Back in a couple of minutes on the debate tonight.
Time. And the news hour will be right back.
Syed Tariq Bukhari is brother of the Shahi Imam. My next question goes to him. Mr. Bukhari, what is the problem if Rajnath Singh meets Muslim clerics? What is the problem? Because your brother comes out with a statement supporting the Congress, but Maulana Kalbe Sadiq, Maulana Khalid Rashid, Maulana Kalbe Jawad, Maulana Firangi Mahal, they are not going ahead and issuing statements asking the Muslims to vote for the BJP. So there's a fundamental difference. The BJP says the fundamental. What is your problem?
We don't have any problem. Every citizen of this democratic country have right to meet anybody at any point of time.
Yeah, but there's a difference,
But
right?
the problem is, but when Imam Bukhari meets Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, there was huge hue and cry from the same Bharatiya Janata Party, and when they themselves go and meet the other clerics, and they said that this is just a meeting to in respect of the clerics.
No, because there's
So this is
they're
double
not asking for
standards.
the votes. So what the BJP says, we're not asking for votes. Show me
Come on, Mr. Arnav. Come on, Mr. Arnav. The point of time when they are meeting,
No,
I would
come on.
request Mr.
No, no,
Kalbe
come
Jawad.
on,
I would
come on,
request
Mr.
Kalbe
Bukhari.
Jawad and Mr.
Come on, Mr. Bukhari, show me a statement. Show me a statement where any of these
Did you heard
clerics,
anything? Did you
Rajnath
heard
met,
anything from the
asked for-
congressmen, Congress people? They said that we requested them to support them.
Arnab, I will answer you.
You came out.
us to support
You had a meeting.
Arnab, I will
Imam
answer
Bukhari
you for
has
this.
said that
Sudhanshu
Sonia Gandhi has
Trivedi.
asked him not to let the secular votes divide.
Arnab,
Yes, I would like to say.
One at a time,
Imam
Sudhanshu
Bukhari on
Trivedi.
record
We are
after
clear on
coming
that
out
point.
of the
We are clear
meeting,
on that
Sonia
point.
Gandhi had
We
said
will never let
that
the secular
Sonia
votes
Gandhi has
divide in
asked
this
not to
country.
divide
We
the
will
secular
never.
vote.
We will
Has Sonia
try
Gandhi denied?
till our
No.
last
It
breath.
means there
We
was a
will try it
discussion.
till our last breath.
Secular vote or Muslim vote?
It means Sonia Gandhi has asked the support. It is proven.
Both.
Now it is
Both.
proven that Sonia Gandhi has asked the support.
No, he admitted.
And for the entire Congress
Of
party.
course.
And
But we
against
discussed the
something.
issues. We
On
discussed the issues.
on the contrary,
We clearly
Rajnath has
discussed the
neither
Muslim
asked
issues
support
with them.
And nor it is followed by any
We
detail.
clearly discussed the Muslim issues. जो हमारे मसाइल को लेके बिल्कुल क्लियर आएगा, हम उसकी सपोर्ट करेंगे.
मगर आप वहां पे तो
जो
आपको
हमारे मसाइल को लेके हमारे इश्यूज पे बिल्कुल क्लियर होना चाहिए किसी की भी सियासी जमात को.
one minute.
अब जहां तक
अगर
बीजेपी का
accept
ताल्लुक है, उसमें हमारी
एक मिनट
आइडियोलॉजी नहीं मिलती. We
कांग्रेस-
clearly denied their
एक मिनट बुखारी जी.
ideology. अगर बीजेपी आज, if the BJP is ready to change their ideology, they will be in the same queue.
Secular society.
1 minute. शिवसेना से एक सवाल है
We are
आपको.
practicing
One at a time.
secular
प्रेम
I would like to
शुक्ला.
add one more thing.
1 minute. One at a time. I'm allowing प्रेम शुक्ला.
One more thing.
प्रेम
please.
शुक्ला.
How you? We are according
One
to
more thing I would
Congress.
like to say,
According to
that we
Congress, we are a practicing secular country. A person from a particular community,
Yes.
he is taking contract for the community votes of his own community. How on when you are denying that you should not
Mr. Shukla,
ask vote on religious basis?
I am not
They
listening
are
you.
issuing
I am
fatwas
listening
after
you
the
to
meetings with
understand.
secular
I am
leaders.
listening you to understand.
And they have Muslim leader
coming
and
up. I'm
communal
coming.
credentials. So why how we
Please
can allow?
repeat it. Please repeat it. I am
You
not
can,
getting.
when we
Mr. Shukla, please repeat your last
fought election
words.
on Hindutva basis, you challenged us in the court, and in Supreme Court when it was decided that Hindutva is the basic philosophy of this country. After that also you are not allowing us to use Hindutva in the election campaign. We are not
How
using
illogical!
it. But
How
you are
illogical
using
this
a
is!
person
How can a court
who
decide that?
already
How illogical this is! How a court
Yes,
decide
yes.
that?
How it is illogical? You are taking fatwa from masjid.
It is your.
You are for
It
taking
is your
fatwa from masjid.
statement, not the
So
court's
how
statement.
it can be allowed in
It
this
is your.
country?
It can be your statement. It can't be court's statement.
No, this is court statement. Yes, this Justice J.S. Verma
Doesn't give
statement. No, you can read it. I can send the copy of the.
I have never-
can send the
I have
copy of
never
judgment.
gone through-
Justice
I don't-
J.S.
I don't-
Verma bench had already decided, and it had given a specific order. I can send the copy.
Then what do you
I'm
want?
ready to send the
Okay,
copy.
then
You
what
can
do you
get it
want?
from Ramnath Palani.
What's your idea then? What's your idea then?
But then joint politics, no, Mr. Bukhari.
Mr. Shukla.
No, Mr.
That we
Bukhari.
should not bring it into
No,
our
Mr.
agenda.
Bukhari.
You are
Mr.
bringing
Mr.
it into-
Bukhari.
bringing
Please.
it
Mr.
into our
Bukhari,
agenda.
1 minute. Prem Shukla.
Yes.
Prem Shukla, 1 minute. You see, Mr. Bukhari, in that case, join politics.
Yeah, please.
Join the Congress party.
Pardon?
I'm saying in that case, join politics.
Pardon?
Become a member of the Congress party.
No,
Make
I
it
have never
official,
been
no?
a member of any political
No, make
party.
it official. I'm saying make it
No, it's
official.
not mandatory.
Make it
It's not
official.
mandatory. It's not mandatory.
No, make it official.
What
you're doing is unofficially.
Again, you are debating. It's my
don't use
personal.
the like he was
It's my
the
personal.
Shahid
Decision.
Siddiqui. Shahid Siddiqui's counter
Mr.
question to
Shahid
Mr.
Siddiqui
Bukhari.
is there. He has an experience of joining maybe more than 15-20 parties. Mr. Shahid Siddiqui is there.
Mr. Shahid Siddiqui.
Yes, I can, but
He
you
is the
have no
most
right. You
experienced
have no
person.
right to speak on behalf of Muslims and using the platform. Now let me speak. Using the platform of Jama Masjid, they have been joining every party. This Bukhari, his elder brother Bukhari also supported Vajpayee in 2004. After the Gujarat riots, they have supported Indira Gandhi, they have supported Janata Dal, they have supported Janata Party, they have supported everybody. Using the platform of Jama Masjid. Why don't you leave the Jama Masjid? Why don't you leave Jama Masjid? Why don't you leave Jama Masjid? You can't use Jama Masjid to trade off for Muslim votes. You have been a trader of Muslim votes. You and your family is trading the Muslim
आप
votes.
तशरीफ लाइए निकाल दीजिए.
हाँ यस नहीं सब इस मुल्क के मुसलमान निकालेंगे
तारीख
आपको.
और टाइम बताइए मैं हाजिर हो जाऊंगा. सर झुका के हाजिर हो जाऊंगा.
आपके कहने से वोट नहीं पड़ता. Nobody is voting according to your diktat. Nobody is voting according to your diktat. They did not vote for Congress. Delhi Muslims did not vote for Congress according to your diktat.
मैंने कभी दावा नहीं किया. हमने कभी लीडर होने का, कभी लीडरशिप जामा मस्जिद कभी लीडर होने का या किसी चीज को थोपने का कभी दावा नहीं करती. न ये दावा करती है कि हमारी बात 100% मानी जाएगी.
country knows what you have been saying.
सियासी कंटेक्स्ट में, पॉलिटिकल कंटेक्स्ट में
आप
अपनी
दावा
राय
क्या
रखनी.
तो फिर एक मिनट. तो फिर मौलाना कल्बे जावेद ने कहा, 1 second, Maulana Kalbe Javed, who I think has met Rajnath Singh, has said, we are scared of Narendra Modi, but Rajnath Singh has the acceptability of Vajpayee. Abid Rasool.
डायरेक्ट बोलने की जरूरत
What
क्या है?
happened?
Abid Rasool.
Come very clear in favor of BJP.
Yes, let me come in.
I request him to
what I
come
have
very
been
clear
saying
in
on
the
debate. It is. Let me speak, Mr. Maulana. I have been telling very straight on this debate that this is what they have planned. This is planned by Mr. Rajnath Singh to get a certificate of pseudo-secularism because he knows that his party is going to face problems from
And
allies
what
to get
certificate
support.
was Sonia
And
Gandhi
this is the
trying
way
to
they
get?
want to try.
And what certificate was Sonia Gandhi trying to get?
certificate was only secularism and upholding the constitution
If
of this
Mr.
country.
Abid Rasool
It was
is saying
not
like
to divide
this,
the
but
community.
Imam Bukhari is
he
not
is
a
having
takeover of
disrespect for
secularism.
Maulana.
One at a time.
Kalbet Abad and Khan.
Let Abid Rasool complete, then you come in.
I want a clear answer from Mr. Abid Rasool.
To polarize the whole
Is he going to bring secular votes?
By
Is
BJP
Imam
and
Bukhari
his
going to bring
ideology.
secular votes?
Their prime ministerial candidate who is not acceptable.
I don't
to
understand
allies.
this.
This is known everywhere.
Sir,
Now this is
Rasool ji,
an attempt by Rajnath
Rasool
Singh
ji,
to try to
Rasool ji, can you hear me?
But
I would like to say
I'm telling
something.
you, they have failed
No,
in this.
Rasool ji,
They have failed in
Rasool ji,
this.
I don't, please, I'll repeat this once more. I have 2 minutes on the debate. Everyone's watching now. I have one question. 1 minute. Just don't speak over each other. The question is simple. Let's put everyone on the screen like we just did right now. My question is simple. You went hammer and tongs. You worked yourself into a frenzy. Frenzy. Right? Over the fact that the BJP does not speak to Muslim community leaders. You work yourself into a frenzy. Narendra Modi does not wear, a skull cap.
He does not wear a cap.
No. So now when Rajnath Singh is going and meeting
Which is
these
not
people,
Islamic.
you have a problem with that also. I don't know, Mr. Rasool, what exactly is your position? You seem extremely confused.
We have no problem. We have a problem when they want to divide the Muslim community. as
Muslim
stated by,
votes.
Subramaniam Swami.
You
time
have
and
a
again.
problem when they try to divide the Muslim votes or Muslim community.
They want to monopolize Muslim votes.
They want to divide.
Muslim votes or Muslim community?
Muslims vote for anybody, they have a problem.
If they want to appeal, let them
They
appeal
want
by
to
their
monopolize.
manifesto.
You are divided
They
once
are
the country on
They are not
Inke gulam hai.
listening to people like Shahid Siddiqui.
They think Muslims are
Shahid
gulams to them,
Siddiqui
slaves
has
of
been
their
propped up
political
by
ideology.
BJP to talk all this.
They are upset when Muslims vote for somebody else. That is their problem. They want to monopolize.
Committed that crime.
They want to corner, they want to try and push Muslims into a mental, psychological, economic ghetto.
Attempt to polarize. That is what we have a
Yes,
problem.
you have been
It
doing
is an
it.
attempt to divide this country. What is
And
what
now
we have a
Muslims are
problem.
moving
It is
out,
not
so you are
against
angry,
any
frustrated.
person or meeting anybody. Absolutely not. You are frustrated. You are frustrated, and you are and speaking as a matter of frustration.
No,
You
Congress
are
party is
against
frustrated
the
because
whole
Muslims
system. And
are not ready to
absolutely
vote them
not,
blindly.
absolutely
Muslims
not.
are not
It
their
is
blind
your
supporters
frustration
anymore.
which is visible on the
Muslims are
channel
going
today.
out and
It is the
supporting
frustration
their
you are
various
trying to-
parties,
you are trying to
including Aam
polarize
Aadmi
the
Party in
country.
Delhi.
With this
They were voting for
frustration,
Aam
you are
Aadmi
trying to
Party.
divide
You were
the
very, very
community.
upset.
With
You were
this
very upset.
frustration, you are trying to demean the
No,
clerics.
you are
with this
trying to
frustration, you are
monopolize. You are
lower
trying
the respect of the
to
clerics.
create fear psychosis.
The pictures on your screen.
Fear psychosis among
You are-
Muslims.
The pictures on your screen, I run them full frame.
India will become a
Ladies and gentlemen,
that
one
will
second.
not happen. India is a secular state, not because of you. Not because of you.
The pictures on your screen.
Because of the people of this country. People of this country want India to be secular, not because of Congress. Not
1
because
second,
of
gentlemen, the pictures on your screen.
Because of the people of
The
this
pictures
country.
on your screen. The pictures on your
India is a great
screen.
country, and India will remain a great country.
The pictures on your screen, ladies and gentlemen, showing them full frame. What is controversial about this? Rajnath Singh, along with Lalji Tandon, who's the sitting MP, and a mayor, meets the vice president of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, Maulana Kalbe Sadiq, Maulana Kalbe Jawad, Maulana Hamidul Rasan, Maulana Yasub Abbas, Maulana Khalid Rashid Farangi Mahal. Now, I know that the BJP spokesperson will never accept this. But is this also positioning by Rajnath Singh? Consider this, viewers, that this meeting comes after Rajnath's famous apology to Muslims, where he said before leaders of the Muslim community on the 26th of February, try us once. If we don't come up to your expectations, don't look at us ever again. He also went ahead and said, note that wherever, if there has been any mistake and shortcoming on our part, I assure you that we will apologize to you by bowing our heads. Many viewers thought that was an indirect reference to the Gujarat riots. Later, speaking to me, he said it was not a reference. But is this positioning seen in, and now a senior Muslim community leader says And look at how Sudhanshu Trivedi is quiet on that. I'm just going to have one question to Sudhanshu Trivedi. Kalbe Javed says we are scared of Narendra Modi, but Rajnath Singh has the acceptability of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. You know what's happening.
This can be the
No, what personal opinion?
This can be the
come
personal
on.
Feeling of Mr.
Come on,
Kalbe Jawad.
Sudhanshu
But as far
Trivedi.
as party is concerned,
This is.
Let him complete this only question to the
can I
BJP.
speak
What
for
is happening?
45 seconds?
This is.
10, I'll give you
First of
20
all,
seconds.
I am unable to understand what is communal polarization. These people used to accuse BJP that we have not given any ticket to Muslim in Lok Sabha in Uttar Pradesh. So we are for communal polarization. When our leader meets Muslim clerics, then they are saying we are for communal polarization. And they are accusing us that we try to divide the community. I would like to remind there was a division of within the Muslim community. Let me complete my sentence. I was not interrupting when you were speaking.
You have not done anything. No, you have
Mohammed
not done
Rasool, it's not right to interrupt.
Community between the Shia and Sunni during the Congress regime. And it was in the BJP regime in 2001 when Rajnath Singh was chief minister.
I think Rajnath Singh is doing. Rajnath Singh. I'm coming in now and wrapping up. I'm coming in now and wrapping up over the pictures. I'm wrapping up over the pictures. I think I have just one thing to say. Rajnath Singh is a very astute. 1 minute. Rajnath Singh is a very astute politician. Rajnath Singh knows the symbolism of this meeting. Rajnath Singh knows the importance of the photo opportunity. And Rajnath Singh's meeting these leaders, therefore, is not an accident. I want to ask you, dear viewers, how do you view Rajnath Singh's photo opportunity out there with all the Muslim community leaders? What do you read into it? Remember, no election is over till it's over. I'll join you on the other side, on the last part of News Hour.